Have you ever watched a project you poured your heart into suddenly fall apart? That's exactly what's happening at Blizzard, as the mobile division is taking a big hit after the latest round of layoffs by Microsoft. Um, but how did it come to this? So first, let's take a moment to subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. This story is one that's definitely worth your attention. Um, Now, back to business. Uh, Warcraft Rumble, a mobile tower defense game, was supposed to be a big win for Blizzard. So, um, set in the Warcraft universe, it had potential similar style of, but after less than a year on the market, um, Blizzard announced that the game would no longer be receiving any new content. Only live operations will be supported going forward. What does that mean? Well, no new expansions, no updates, just maintenance. Okay. Joanna Ferries, president of Blizzard, confirmed the end of the game's development in an internal memo. The news didn't stop there. As many as 100 employees may have been affected by the cuts, with some reportedly learning that they were let go when their Slack accounts were shut down. Ouch. Looking deeper into the impact, it's clear that the layoffs are part of a broader shift within Microsoft's gaming division. Bethesda, King, and other companies under the Xbox umbrella have been feeling the effects of these cuts. And the biggest surprise came when a highly anticipated MMORPG in development by ZeniMax Online Studios was scrapped. Just another casualty of a larger restructuring plan. Blizzard's mobile division, once a beacon of hope, has seen major downsizing. Individual Warcraft Rumble, which took 9 years to develop, had big aspirations, hoping to emulate the success of Hearthstone in the mobile gaming market. But with its failure, the company is left reassessing its strategy just months after Microsoft acquired Activision Blizzard in a massive $69 billion deal. And the news only gets worse from there. Blizzard's plans for mobile gaming have now all but vanished. Another mobile project, similar to Pokemon Go, was also canceled before Rumble. It seems the dreams of Blizzard's mobile future have crumbled, at least for now. There were also cuts to Blizzard's customer service and marketing teams, though for now, the Overwatch division appears to remain untouched. But who knows how long that will last. After all, this is the fourth round of layoffs within 18 months, with more than 8,000 gaming jobs lost since Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard. The list of projects defected is long, from Perfect Dark to Everwild to the ZeniMax MMO. Despite these setbacks, Ferries assured that the team's efforts weren't in vain. But when you're among the hundreds of employees losing their jobs, or a gamer watching your favorite games left unfinished, those words ring hollow. Microsoft's push for next-gen consoles and a spotlight at Gamescom shows they aren't slowing down. But what's next for Xbox? How much longer can the creative side of the business take these cuts. Yeah. And then we just see that the information means, again, Microsoft keeps promising, yet for many, the future looks darker than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and